going on, guys? Astro with Hidden Profits Crypto here. Today I'm bringing you guys a little bit of a different video than usual, but I promised you I'd show you the Chia build and I wanted to go over it and what all has gone on in the last 24 hours in regarding to farming, plotting, and all that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the build. I took the case off. We'll look at the case here. It's a Cooler Master, just I don't even remember the name, to be honest with you. All I know is like 50 bucks. So this is the one that I went with. Fit everything in here good, so no issues. You'll notice I only have this fan, that fan. For right now, my motherboard only has that fan port and that one up there. There's one down here, but it doesn't have the pins, so I can't actually plug it in. So I had to order splitters, and I have another fan here, and I ordered one that's on the way as well. So those will be here today, and I'm gonna shut everything down for maintenance and take care of all of that. So we'll have the proper airflow that I need, but for right now, this is what we have to do. Temperatures have been staying all right. Certain parts of the motherboard have been getting questionably hot, but it should be all right until today. So let's go over the parts. So starting with the CPU, I have a i7-10700K, the unlocked CPU. That one is 8 cores and 16 threads. I have the 212 Evo Cooler Master CPU cooler on that. I'm running 32 gigs of the crucial Ballistix 32 megahertz RAM. Let's see, the power supply is Corsair 620 watt, and I think that's about it. I have just a 200, the SSD, duh, of course. So just a like 250 gig for the operating system. And then for the M.2, we got the Samsung 970 Evo Plus 2 terabyte. I was gonna go with the 980 Pro, but it was like $100 more than this one, and a lot of people said that this one's really good. I've been plotting pretty fast. We'll get over the specs of that in a bit, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And then for hard drives, I have this is a 12 terabyte, and then these three are 8 terabytes, and then I have another 8 terabyte on the way as well. Yeah, that's about it for the build. Like I said, I got those fans coming, and that's probably going to be about it for this for a while. I probably won't upgrade it except for maybe adding more hard drives in the future if I can find them, because they're out of stock basically everywhere. I think I've scavenged most of them out from my area. So anyways, let's go ahead and hop onto the computer, and we're going to go over how my plotting and farming and all that went in the last 24 hours. All right, so we're back at the computer, and I wanted to just take a look at basically just overall everything that's been going on since I started it. When I started it, it was later at night, and then by the time I woke up in the morning, I probably had like 3 or 4 plots done, and then yesterday, I'm just running 7 plots in parallel, but we'll go over that in a bit. But I did have issues with syncing. Yesterday, I was not synced pretty much the whole day, and I had around 10 plots plotted, and I couldn't do any farming. Not that it really matters with 10 plots anyways, but I was just hoping that if I just kind of just let it go, didn't try to really do anything, it would fix itself. And it's been synced all day, or at least so far since I've been up today. Yeah, so everything seems good with that. I do have 19 plots down as of now, and this one should be done shortly. Again, still figuring out how to use the program correctly and do everything right. I added like 20 plots just to the queue without realizing that, like, if you don't, you know, put them in parallel, then they won't actually plot in parallel. They'll just, whenever the last one that was done in the queue's done, it'll just start the next one. So yeah. But anyways, what I've been running is like 7 in parallel with, I suppose we can go in here. So I would say like 7 in parallel with a delay of about 85 minutes. And then I am running my RAM at 3800 megahertz, and I have 16 threads, but I'm only running 12. And then that's basically it. So this is what I'm running as of right now. And again, I will get it to where we're getting as much out of the system as possible once I get those fans, and I don't have to worry about everything melting. So if we take a look at the farm, we are farming 19 plots and a little under 2 terabytes plotted, and my estimated time to win is a year, but everything seems to be working good. And if I'm 100% honest with you, this is my first time doing my own PC build. So all of this was a learning process, and I'm actually pretty happy with how everything has gone. I'm gonna, like I said, shut everything down for maintenance, add those fans, and then I'm gonna try to get this to just try to get this thing plotting as fast as it can. I think it should be able to do 1.5 terabytes a day of plotting, so roughly 15 plots, I'd say, 15 or 14. But we'll just have to see. That's just my estimate right now, but we will figure it out. Anyways, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below letting me know what your guys' experience with Chia has been so far if you are farming, and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe so that way you can stay up to date with all the other Chia content that I'll be putting out, as I do plan to expand this into multiple PCs and hopefully a petabyte at some point in time. Optimistic, but let's hope. So anyways, follow me at hidden_crypto on Twitter if you guys want to stay up to date there as well, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.